How to add sound to your videos. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your phone and you have to open it in your Android. Now you can see this is the desktop of your app and you can see here different options like home, friends, plus mark, inbox and the profile. Click on the plus mark and click on the video option like 15 seconds and 60 seconds, whatever which you want to add. And at the top you can see there is an option of add sound. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully and avoid forgetting many things and making mistake. Select any of the sound which you want to add it on your video like this. Click on the done. In this way that sound will be added to your video. Clicking on this check mark, clicking on the next option. In this way you can post and make your video draft. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.